Hi guys, I am now in a sleepy little town in south of Spain, which I now call home. That's right. Those of you who have been watching my channel for a while might know this, that last summer I moved to Spain. Why? Well, why not? As you can see, it is quite late in the year now, and the weather is nice, so climate is definitely one of the reasons. Lived in Iceland for most of my life, and it's a beautiful country, but it's cold, and the weather is, well, it can get nasty. Also, just like it's like quality of life. Nicer climate. It's not as expensive. You know, I don't have to work as much, hopefully. So yeah, quality of life. And also Spain is a wonderful country. I've been here now for a week. I'm going back to Iceland tomorrow. I have 2 tours in Iceland, and after that I have 1 tour in Myanmar. I recently got back home from Vietnam. I've done some Iceland tours in between, but I have more material I have not shown you from Vietnam. I have a lot of stuff from there. So, well, yeah, you will see more of that. And now I'm going, like I told you, to Myanmar, and I will probably make a lot of stuff there also. And of course my Iceland stuff continues. As you can see on this channel, I'm kind of all over the place. It's always photography related, but it's not necessarily landscape. Yes, I am a landscape photographer, but I am so much more than that. I am a travel photographer first and foremost. And then in late December, January, I have like a month of tours. And then I'm gonna start to see my options here in Spain. I'm gonna explore Spain. Take some videos, take some photographs, find some photograph locations, and I will take you along on those adventures. I think it's going to be awesome. There's a lot of really, really cool places here, and a lot of history, a lot of things to see. So I will do that. I will spend a lot of time here in Spain doing that. Also, what has been the most popular videos I've made are tutorials, and yeah, where I show you how to do stuff. Not necessarily my favorite videos to do. It's not that I don't like it, I just like telling stories. I like that more. So, but I'm gonna do a proper mix of everything. Well, everything I want to do. I'm sometimes asked, or I'm told that if I would like to grow faster on YouTube, I need to focus on what works, what people want to see. Well, sure, I get it. Not exactly why I started this. It's not about, well, I would obviously like to grow faster, but you know, it's not necessary. I want to do it on my terms. I want to do what I like to do, and then I'm hoping that there is an audience for that. Yeah, I'm not gonna just jump on some wagon that everybody's doing because it works for them. It might not work for me, so I'll continue doing what I like. Hi girls.
Hi.
Telling stories. And of course mix it up with interviews. Like last week I did an interview with a brilliant landscape photographer, Albert Dross. There will be more of that. More tutorials, more landscape of course, more Iceland, more Vietnam, more Spain, you know, more of everything. So I did upload twice a week for a while, Yeah. Then I was busy and I've been struggling with my Thursdays, but I always manage to upload on Thursdays. And when I have a bit more time from tours, I might do twice a week, like temporarily, until I'm busy again. But that's about it. I'm also gonna do, I don't like gear reviews. I just don't like them. However, I do like to watch people when they talk about what they're using, how they use it, what they can use it for, and what they can't. So I've been meaning to talk about this camera, this Osmo Action camera, which I've been using now for my videos for a while, and I'm not gonna do like a review on that. There's a lot of reviews on that, and that's a little late. But I'm gonna tell you in the next couple of weeks why I'm using it as much as I do, and despite of its shortcomings. There is a few things I don't like about this camera, but there's a lot of things I do like. When I have more time, when I have a setup at home, I'm recently moved to Spain, like I told you, I don't have a setup at home. I will start doing more tutorial stuff and that stuff again, but and I will also be filming on a, better camera. This was only meant for this kind of stuff, walking and talking, and wherever I need an action camera. The beautiful thing about this camera, however, if I see something I want to shoot, I have an idea, 3 seconds, I'm on there. It's done. It's with the DSLR. I have to check the mic is on. There's a lot of stuff I need to do before I can start shooting. But this is simple, and simple is good. Do I have anything else? I don't think so. I didn't do a script. I'm just walking and talking. Yeah, as you can see. So, like I said, tomorrow, Iceland. I'll be showing you something from that. 2 tours, exactly the same. South Coast and Glacier Lagoon. I think it's going to be good. It's been quite cold in Iceland the past few days, so I'm hoping there will be snow soon. So, yeah, Iceland and snow. I'm hoping for that. That's it for now. Thank you. Goodbye.